with meekness, with truthfulness, you'll be able to get even your enemy to come and fight for you. Hear the voice. And now make us say, when you say Bank of Ghana governor, no, Anka Obabi Pupu.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications. Right, anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Organization started as they want us to believe. They didn't go to South Africa, where economic relief or let's say economic dependency started from in Africa. They didn't go to Zambia. They didn't go to anywhere. They had to come to Ghana to pick somebody from Saka, LA Primary. Bawumia say, baby, I get economists for your dreaming and your dreaming right now. So what else can we get to uplift our economic struggles? Who did they call Bawumia? What is speech or mine? Bawumia said tariffs on my amfa. Taxes see more raise amfa because at the end of the day, tax breaks no. I call rich man no and I'm a because I'm a rich man in the whole company. I buy bema tax breaker or the man rich man. The people who owns company. Me no at run here fan. You know the omo the brand So when tax breaks are coming, it's coming for the rich. And the idea economically, they say with the little econs I know, and they say initially, right? Economists had thought, say, when you empower the rich, the poor would also get rich. But we saw that whenever you gave tax breaks to the to the rich, they never invested back into creating jobs.
They get richer and the poor get poorer.
They get richer and get poorer. So right now, so what? Every candidate, every serious presidential candidate, they don't talk to the high class or the low class. They talk to something we call middle. I'm speaking for the middle class. I'm speaking for the middle class. Why? Because we tried the top-down approach. It didn't work. It will be a pretty say because at the end of those below can taste some, those above can taste some. And that is why politics is going that way. Dr. Bawumia has showed that, listen, you can disagree with everybody. You might not even like somebody. But when it comes to group, you are not by yourself. You don't own the group. Like some people want us to believe, which I will come to in my second point. They say, Dr. Bawumia is the leader of MPP. But he doesn't believe, say, or no leader in Tino, on your so no car, that is final. No. He knows, say, if he's going to be a good king, he's going to need subjects. And it is how you relate with your subjects that your subjects are going to sell you outside. Say, yeah, he need your papa, oh, you can't need your papa, oh, you can't need your papa.
But that does not make him a weak leader, a leader who is indecisive.
How are you calling somebody who has decided that even though I know A, B, and C doesn't like me, I will put my ego outside. I will put what I don't like aside and look at the bigger picture, which is the whole group. How is that weakness? The weak person is the one who will say that because it's not me, everything I have to destroy. I don't care if the bus crashes. I don't care if everybody dies. They didn't make me the driver, so let them die.
Okay.
But one day we say, they didn't make me the driver. However, I'm willing to accommodate everybody, including those who didn't even like me. The voice, the type of Dr. Bawumia is not something we see easily. Let's be honest with ourselves.
I tell you.
All it took was 15 minutes with Dr. Bawumia. Brother, me first, you see, to be honest with you, me first, I was only seeing him as, intelligent guy. So that's all I spoke about. It was when I spoke with him for 15 minutes, I said, hey, Debbie, he is more
the man
than
is
what
deep.
I thought.
Exactly. It's true.
And then I can't say chill. I will do politics, but hold on. Dr. Bawumia, ebe put some standard view. I don't think any vice president can fill that shoe as it stands now.
Not even a professor?
To me. Believe me, why? Oh, there is some me jano. He say battery on the shade the monochrome, matters almost a battery new. If you feel almost charge about Ofria you by one view. Didn't they say that she's fit? Didn't they say that she's fit for purpose and she's back to work? Since she came back, has even returned to the office one day. I dare Fifi Pratt with daughter to come and tell me our vice president has gone to the office since she landed. She has not. For that one, they put it on the side. But dear Papa Nabeyeno, it is gonna be hard for anybody to fill Dr. Bawumia's shoe. Now, you said, what has doctor learned about this whole thank you? Doctor has come to know that not everybody will like you, but you must force and find a way to work with them. So we, the followers of doctor, we must also take that. It's not everybody that we like, but when it comes to some point, we have to bridge the gap and work with everybody. That's one thing he has showed. One thing he has also showed is that in life, whichever small corner you are, the voice, make sure you are brightening that corner, because it's that corner that is going to give you the field, going to give you the big opportunities. We gave him a vice president. Where didn't huni after ya to aba nyonyo say etiano based on the nipa ye papa we ye to me ama oya we woni mu. When we lost the election, the next day, when the man came to the residence and saw that motorbikes ya or say yankoche t-shirt ya printed yanfa, he asked, what are you going to do with all these motorbikes? These are supposed to go to the people. Why did you people do this? He was angry. Yes, he was angry. Anybody that was there in that day, the first time we saw Doctor angry. On your chips, Papa no on your chips, and any day, Papa, now on your very practical and real. Because when who say, and you be bia na obeya, or somebody will do you have to respond to it. Some of it you have to close your eyes, drink the bitter punch, and move with the whole team. And that is what Doctor did. So for me, dear, he has showed us, say, you might not always get everybody on your side, but with humbleness, with meekness, with truthfulness, you'll be able to get even your enemy to come and fight for you. Hear the voice, and now make us say, when him say Bank of Ghana governor, no, and ka obabe pupu the gold for oil, like the gold for oil that Doctor brought, and that's why we say Omanka some party for a year to credit what Bawumia has done, telling the Bank of Ghana, I'm like governor, and they say, yeah, I'm funny, I'm in your politics. Dr. Bawumia didn't fight them all. Now they are the people fighting, say, hey, chairman, forget. 1 or 3.
Averagely, truck driver, be an answer more cobantino. A day, obey you 1 tank. Okay? A day, obey you 1 tank. Young family say, oh, yeah, you must 6 days a week. And to multiply 72 by 6, about 432 cedis a week. A week. Now multiply 400. Yeah, mommy, honorable Michelle. Multiply 432 by 4. Ubenya say 1,728. Fabra dollars when a dollar is 10.25. About $168. And truck driver John Mahama said, Busumi Biano man $168. Now America credit taxa. America, you taxa. This is what they have done to the people.
And what is the reason?
Mamima Uber there, Uber, Kia Morning, and now Toyota Vix, almost averaging a year 10 gallons, which is about 45 liters. Or no, so no, we calculation in every year.
To the same process.
The same process now, Bosumi. Kia morning driver, Uber John Mahama 1,080 cedis. And no, $105 every month.